Hello everybody, welcome to part 2 of the summer update tour. Today we are at the beach, as y'all can see. We're at the beach setting, but we're not going to do much because I have trouble getting back up here for us to go to the canyon, which is the last part. So without further ado, or furthermore, let's go into first person and start this thing. So, we're currently facing right there. We're going to be facing right there. So, let's go! No, I fell. I'm falling. Okay. So, as y'all can see, this song. So as y'all can see, there's a brand new shark thing, lots of water balloons, nice little swimming area. As y'all know, I cannot swim in Gorilla Tag or else I'm gonna drown, and I need to get back up on the sand. And then y'all see I was actually holding my breath for that one. There's bunch of balloons all over. Lots of slides. Lots of water. Lots of those fish thingies. So this update is actually kind of nice for the beach. And then a jar of fireflies. Sorry. Excuse me, I have the hiccups as well. So, after this video, I'm gonna have to get me a drink and do, because that's what keeps me going all the time. Okay, so, oh no, I just hit something. Thank God it was soft though. Hold on. Sorry, I'm gonna have to mute myself real quick. Sorry for that. I had to know what my dog was doing because I heard something snap. And sorry, oh my god, I have the hiccups. And I was wondering if my dog was chewing something. So now we're gonna put it back into first person. And we are going to see what is up with the update. Excuse me, I'm so sorry. Yeah, that does not work. So, we're gonna go back up and end this video at 3 minutes. This beach part, it's not that long because I have trouble getting back up because I forget the way because there's so many rocks and I don't really remember that way. So, peace out. Hit that. Wait, no. We're not ending it yet. Once I get back up, we're ending it. Let me put it back in first person. Okay, let's go. So now we're gonna get back up on these rocks and get back up. And now, we're gonna end the video right here where we started it. So thank y'all so much for watching part 2 of this. Hold on, my dog is there. Okay, I'm so sorry for that. Thank y'all so much for watching. This is part 2. Part 3 will be the canyons. And thank y'all so much for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button. And we'll see y'all in part 3. Peace.